Welcome to another moving episode. This is episode 5 of my Moving Diaries series. So far in the last few episodes, I moved in to my new apartment and unpacked everything. I also started organizing and putting the rooms together. And in my last episode, I went online shopping for apartment furniture, decorations, and appliances. So in today's episode, I'm finally setting everything up. I have some very exciting deliveries and organization and decorations. I feel like this is going to be the first episode that you really start seeing my apartment come together. I love this new space so much. So starting off with this, my couch. This has been like one of the main items I've needed in this apartment. As you guys know, in my studio space, I didn't have a couch or a living area or anything like that. So this is a big deal for me in this apartment. And this morning I have another very exciting delivery. So I just finished getting ready. As I talked about in one of my last videos, I bought something very exciting that was a huge purchase for me. And it is the most beautiful mirror I've ever seen. This has been like my dream mirror. I've wanted it for so long. It was so expensive, but I really wanted to treat myself and I'm so excited to see it in person. So this morning I cleared a space for it. I taped it off so I know how big it's gonna be. It's gonna be huge, but I cannot wait until it's up here. So there's a moving team on their way to help install it. So once that gets here, I'm gonna give you guys the full setup of what it's looking like upstairs. Okay guys, so this is the mirror. I am so obsessed. They just came by and dropped it off and it fits perfectly on this wall. I love how it looks, especially because the ceiling is in this triangle shape. I feel like it just opens up the room so much. The frame on this mirror is so pretty. It's this really nice gold color. I cannot believe it's in my living room. So here is what this room is looking like so far with the newest additions. I absolutely love this couch. The color of it is perfect. I feel like it looks so inviting. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about the height, but I think it looks so good here, especially with the kitchen island right next to it. It just really brings the room together. We also got the TV mounted on the wall, and I have been sitting at this couch watching TV way too much since we got this all put together. I have this Christmas tree right here. I want to turn on the lights, but oh, it actually doesn't really make the lighting that weird. I want to leave this tree up year round. It looks so pretty in here. And then next to that, I have the mirror. I am so excited for this. Like, imagine the outfit pictures in this. I feel like it's really getting set up and it's coming together so good. I am about to head out the door, but I wanted to give you guys an outfit of the day. So I have this top on, which is really cute, but it's kind of see-through. I'm wearing like a sports bra under here because it's like the only white bra that I have. And you can like really see it, so it kind of bothers me. But this top is so cute. And I just paired it with black leggings. And then I'm gonna go downstairs and get on my sneakers, grab my purse, and head out the door to start this video. So I am on my way to Trader Joe's. This is my first time going to Trader Joe's at my new apartment. I am so excited. So I'm not going full grocery shopping. I just really want to get some stuff for this week. One of my favorite ways to transform my apartment space is to get fresh flowers. I used to do this all the time after I finished cleaning my apartment. It just makes the vibe so nice. So I'm going to get a couple bouquets. They're going to be so pretty. And then I'll probably just pick up a couple things for this week, like a smoothie, maybe some frozen food. We'll see. So I'm going to head over there right now, and I need to map it. This is gonna be my new Trader Joe's. I'm so good. I remembered to bring my grocery bag so I don't have to get any. This one is like a huge tote bag. It was absolutely packed in there. I was not expecting it to be like full of people. And as I was checking out, I was like, have you guys been busy today? And he's like, oh, not really. I'm like, holy shit, this isn't busy? It was literally packed with people. I could not even like walk around. I found the prettiest flowers. Oh my God, look at these. I could not make up my mind, so I got 4 bouquets. They're so pretty though. I love all the colors. So let's bring these home. I'm so excited. I just got back from Trader Trader Joe's. I got some really good things. It was a quick trip. So I picked out these. They're so pretty. I love the colors. Tonight I've decided on Indian food, so I got my favorite. The stuff is so good. I picked up some bread, these two frozen food snacks, mini chicken tacos, and then these mini cheeseburgers. And then lastly, I got vanilla almond spiced chai smoothie. This needs to be organized. I am so excited to try this. I got out a couple different vase options. That is so pretty. For these bouquets. This looks so pretty, all of them together. I'm so excited for them to fully bloom, especially this one. It's so pretty, like up close. It really does transform this whole room. This is so pretty. Gives it so much life. I love it. And I think these were the perfect selections of flowers. I am obsessed with how this looks. I am about to change and head out the door, but I really want to try this smoothie. So I got vanilla almond spiced chai from Trader Joe's. I've tried the banana one and the kale, but I haven't tried this one yet. And it always sounds so good. So cheers, let's try it. That is so good. I especially love chai this time of year. Like, it feels really Christmassy to me. So I love this. This tastes so good. These are expensive, so they better be really good. I love smoothies, but I hate making them at home because it makes the biggest mess with the blender and all the dishes that you have to do. So I really like going to get smoothies, but it's always so expensive because they don't want to do the dishes either. I do like this one. I think I'm gonna have it tomorrow because I feel like it'd be perfect for breakfast. So I'm gonna stick it in the fridge. All right, I'm gonna change and head out the door. I have a couple appointments and errands to run today. I keep looking at these flowers though. They're so pretty. Too windy for a short sleeve today. Goodbye to my Wi-Fi. I had an appointment this morning and I just dropped off my Wi-Fi from my old apartment. This new one comes with Wi-Fi in the unit. It's like double the price of my AT&T Wi-Fi, but there's no option. I have to pay it, so I don't want to. So I had to return that to UPS. Feeling very adult. I don't know. I just dropped off my old Wi-Fi, gave them my account number. Just all these loose ends I have to tie up in this moving process. So those two things are about it that I had to get done. So I'm gonna head back to my apartment. I'm gonna cook some dinner. I'm so excited for that Indian food. And I need to edit. I have a lot to do tonight. So let's go. I decided to have the most ultimate, perfect self-care night. This was one of my first times using this bathtub at my new apartment. I didn't have one at my last apartment and I missed it so much because I love using bath bombs and different body products. So I used a face mask and a bunch of different body products. I think one of the next things I need to get in this apartment is one of those bath trays that you can have like over top of you so that I could work on my iPad or watch a show or something like that. This was very much needed. It was so relaxing and nice. I was in there for so long. Like, I was surprised the water in the bath stayed hot the whole time I was in there. It felt so good, 10 out of 10. So I'm gonna set up on the couch, watch a movie, maybe make some tea or hot chocolate, have some dinner, but just enjoy my setup at this new apartment. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. I just finished getting ready. I did my hair and my makeup and I didn't really get dressed yet. Kind of in my pajamas still. So I have my slippers, my comfy pants. I don't really want to get dressed yet, so this'll work. I have been editing this morning, trying to get videos ready for this week. I'm so excited. I am gonna drink my smoothie. Like, when I got it yesterday at Trader Joe's, I was like, oh, I could drink this right now, but I know I'll appreciate it way more in the morning if I have it for breakfast. I honestly don't have too much planned for today, but I did receive 2 packages in the mail that I'm gonna show you guys. It tastes so Christmassy. If you guys watched my online apartment shopping video that I just filmed, I ordered a bunch of really cute decorations, appliances, and furniture in that video. Starting with this mirror that got delivered yesterday, I love it so much. I literally have been looking at myself, like, it's literally just in the perfect spot right here. So like every time I'm in the kitchen, like cooking or like doing anything, then I just get to look, and I appreciate that a lot. But anyway, I got 2 more packages. I opened one of them and I'm so excited to show it to you. I think my main priority in this apartment recently has been to transform this top floor. As you guys know, this apartment is a 2-bedroom and the upstairs is the kitchen and living room, which at first I was like, okay, that's kind of weird. Like usually it's the rooms upstairs, but this was like the only unit available. So I was like, okay, well, we'll just get it. We'll just see how it goes. But I have actually loved the kitchen upstairs because there's so much more light up here, and especially when we have people over, it's so nice to come up here, like hang out. The lighting's really good. So with furniture and decorating, this has been my priority. I want to get everything situated up here. I want it to be super cozy and inviting. So that being said, the 2 things that came in the mail today are for upstairs. First is this light. It's this paper big like floor lamp. It's huge. I think it's gonna add a lot to the room. I plugged it in and it actually gives off a lot of light. I received another package and I haven't unwrapped it yet. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is the key rack I decided on. I have needed one so badly, especially in this apartment since it's 2 floors. I hate running up and down the stairs trying to find my keys. And I've done that like every day since I've lived here because I keep putting it in a different place. Oh my God, it's perfect. I love it. Okay, you ready? Myself. Oh my God. Is it actually like stable? Yeah. I'm pretty genius. I did the measurements, make sure it's perfect on here. I ended up going with this wall. It's the perfect wall because it's right in the hallway from the door. I'm so excited to decorate this and put all my stuff on it. Here is what it's looking like right now. I think it's coming along so good. As I said, I want this to be helpful and organizing, but also decorative and cute. I really like how this came out. I love the wood. I'm obsessed. This came out so cute. Head over to my advent calendar and eat the chocolate of today. If you guys didn't know, I am uploading every single day of December for this year's Vlogmas. It has been going really well so far, but I did just miss one day for the first time. I pushed back my day 6 video and uploaded it on day 7. So my last video was like Vlogmas 6 and 7, and today is day 8, but I have a chocolate from day 7. So I'm gonna eat 2 chocolates today, and we're gonna continue with the daily uploads. It's really confusing, but basically I just missed one day of Vlogmas so far, and I used it to catch up and edit, so I should be back on track. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying until the end. I will see you guys tomorrow for my next video. Leave me any requests you have in the comments below for videos or for this moving series or anything. I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Mwah.